Made a mistake during reconciliation in QuickBooks Online? Don't panic. I'll show you how to safely undo it. First, click the gear icon in the top right corner and select Reconcile even though you're undoing. This is the starting point. Now, instead of starting a new reconciliation, click the History by Account button. This will show you all past reconciliations. Find the account you reconciled and locate the specific reconciliation you want to, and pay close attention to the date. In the Action column next to the correct reconciliation, click the drop-down arrow. From the drop-down menu, select Undo. Be careful. This is irreversible without re-reconciling. A warning message will appear. Read it carefully. It explains the implications of undoing the reconciliation. If you're sure, click Yes. QuickBooks Online will then undo the reconciliation. All the transactions from that period will now be marked as unreconciled. It's crucial to review these transactions and make any necessary corrections. You may need to reconcile the account again to ensure your records are accurate. And that's it. You've successfully undone a reconciliation in QuickBooks Online. Remember to always proceed with caution and double-check your work.